seen on Netflix Jenny and June?
Mm-mm.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's actually
Jenny
good.
and June?
Jenny and June. The mom is like still a super young mom. She had.
Are you talking about?
Mm-hmm.
It's something else.
Georgia. Yeah.
Georgia and Jenny and Georgia.
Jenny and Georgia. Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry. Why did I say June? What
yeah, because I was like, that almost sounds like the show I think you're talking about.
That show was actually pretty good, but that's how
I liked it a lot.
Yeah, damn right. But see how they moved to a different neighborhood. She didn't think she was going to accept it, but then the girls befriended her, and then she had sex with the dude the first day. Remember she moved in, the dude was like,
yes, and he climbed in through the window.
See, I didn't have it that good. No.
I didn't have it that good.
Yeah, I didn't just meet somebody. Oh, hey, let's climb through your window and have.
Oh no, that's pretty unrealistic. I don't think that's happened to anybody in high school.
My mom would kill this shit. Like, yo,
oh my god,
man, that just would not happen in my house.
She would have run my neck out.
Because Georgia knew about it. You remember, she was like, hey, I think your son's sleeping with my daughter, or the neighbors. They knew about the shit. My mom would not be that.
Yeah, Georgia was super cool though.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Georgia's all right. Georgia cool people. But see her life story when they show how she was raised and brought up, bad situations.
Yeah.
And she still made it out of nothing.
Yeah.
Like, yo, abusive, damn near
on her own,
trying to rape
with
her
a baby.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, like sexual predator.
Had to like fake get married to that nasty dude.
Oh man, just
had to kill him.
And that's what happens. Right, and that's just a light version.
Crazy shit.
Oh my god, what if it's the drug dealer? What if the motherfucker who really wants to hurt people?
Right. Right.
Anyways, we're gonna get rid of little unwanted hairs. That's all we're gonna do, okay? And the only reason why it's clinging onto the skin because it's dry. The soap dried out all the oil and everything, so it's gonna catch on the machine and pull your skin.
I don't feel it pulling my skin at all.
Oh, just a little, like
just
that.
A little.
Yeah, that little. Yeah, I'll soak you up real good. It won't happen again. I think it's because of this angle and it went. Yeah, because normally if it's flat. I don't know.
The way my face is shaped, like literally everything rolls into my eyes when I'm laying down.
You have the model face. You have the heart-shaped, if not diamond. Yeah, I would say diamond because it bows and your forehead goes whoosh. It's like a diamond. Yep. I wouldn't say heart. I mean heart only because it looks like, but in the hairline, because look, it comes in. Yep. Because even your hairline has a point. So you have the diamond. And you don't have much peach fuzz on your face. The lady I just worked on earlier this morning, yeah, she did a whole bunch. Her face is super smooth. She actually took both of these clients I just had and took very well.
That's nice.
She said, I'm sorry I don't have an extra 5. You already gave me 45. I said, 50 is fucking awesome, but I'm not worried about nothing. This is good. I'm like, I'll take it.
Yeah, one lady tipped me 50 before the service, and I was like, hell yeah.
Right, and that's how services should be. People have money to burn. They do. People claim that they don't have the money. They do. You'll find some weird shit to buy off of Amazon for like $3,000, but you can't pay me. They can.
Right.
They easily can. You know, you just bailed out your baby daddy that cheated on you, but you still got him money. Right.
One of my favorites just graduated. Yeah, I hate that.
Man.
break was good.
No, the Sprite.
Oh.
It was good. Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it just hits the spot that's the best.
It does.
Sprite is so good. Like, it's different.
Mm-hmm. Always has been. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had a bad Sprite.
Mm-hmm. I used to not like Sprite, actually.
Oh, shit.
Because I really like ginger ale, and then for some reason one time when I had Sprite, I was expecting it to taste like ginger ale, and it didn't. And so I was like, oh, no, I don't like that.
Right. Nah, ginger ale is awesome, too.
I love ginger.
Did I tell you your nails are nice? I like them.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Uh-oh. Is that the Jimmy John's? Or maybe the Mike Jersey?
Yeah, I'm digesting, sorry.
Yeah. No, that's not. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. There's some people who can't. Yeah, but that first, the second lady was pissed though. She's like, wait a minute, why are you late? I was like, no, Carrie, and Carrie, she's gonna stop forcing people on like Carrie.
The 2:30 lady was there?
Because the first client I was supposed to have for a facial was supposed to show up at 10:30. She showed up at like 11:12. I'm like, Carrie, you still need to charge her. I can do maybe a 10-minute facial, but I'm not gonna give. She said, no, give her 45 minutes. 45 minutes is gonna run into my next client. It's gonna put her back by at least 15 minutes. But she ain't trying to lose business. I'm like, I understand, but shit, it messes me up. You're not here taking it in the neck. I'm the one that gotta hear it.
Something like that, I think they should have to reschedule.
Thank you. Yeah, she don't want to miss the money. That's all it is. Yep, no, I agree. I don't like this thing. I like dermaplaning. Don't get me wrong, but anything that makes my life easier, I'm gonna do it. It gets all the little hairs. You can hear them being clipped today. These hair's not always seen by the human eye. Good. Yours matches with your face, which is good. Now, some people, they have like the coarse, like dark hair. Like, you definitely see like chin hairs and stuff like that. Like, ooh, it's not good. I really appreciate you doing this because it's sometimes when people say they'll do stuff, they don't do shit for you. When you need their help and you lend them money or whatever, they're not there when you need it. I'm just asking for a fucking video. It's not like I'm asking for money like they did. You know what I mean? Like, wow, all you gotta do is sit on the table and get a massage.
Yeah.
Like, what the
I feel like you're doing me a favor.
You and me both. Some people, it don't work that way.
That is weird.
It's fucking crazy, yeah.
Because if I offered you a free service and you're complaining, something does not compute.